Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp could not place call. Make sure your device has an internet connection and try again problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or mobile data is stable. Make sure airplane mode is off. Step 2. Again open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search WhatsApp application, click on WhatsApp application, again click on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Again click on apps permission, enable WhatsApp application apps permission. Step 3. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp could not place call problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.